Welcome to today's tutorial on creating a service finder website with classified listing plugin. Here, few service categories are given like carpenter, cleaning, gardening. Let's see an overview of the service finder website. You can create service categories for various services. Service providers can add services to specific categories and user also find desired services from specific categories. All the latest surveys show on the all listing page with list and grid view with the service title and price. Alright, now we will learn the process of adding service categories and location. For this, first go to the classified listings categories. Here, set your preferred service category's name, and for listing type, go for it. Add the listing type as service. Some listing types appear by default. If not required, you can delete the rest. Now go back your categories. Create the service categories for your Service Finder website by selecting listing type and service icon. Choose service icon as yourself what you like to want and upload it. Then save it. Thus, you can make more service categories for different kinds of services. Repeat the same previous process for creating each separate categories. These are the categories what we have created so far. Add the location for your Service Finder website. Now let's create service listing form with drag and drop form builder. Go to the form builder from classified listing. Click add new form and select a blank form. This is the interface of drag and drop form builder. Now copy this form and drag it down. From the preset field, select listing type form field and below select category form field. Edit and set the section title. Thus, you can add and customize your form builder with these preset fields. For the pricing form field, write the section title as service pricing. For the pricing options, select price unit, which counts as per hour, day, or week. Then make another form field named service details. Now create the service info section. Drag and drop the drop-down form field from custom field. Give the level name, availability, add some options for the users to choose. In this case, I have added several options like same day notice, one day notice, or whatever you want to add depending on your availability. Now copy this availability field to make another drop-down field for service warranty. Give the level name, service warranty, add options for service warranty. Not only that, but also you can add more service info such as images, videos, map, and etc. Now save your own modify form and then go to the form list to make it default and delete the others. Let's see how users add their service. Go to the add listing and get your customized service listing form. Look over the entire form. Now fill up this form with all these required options like choose your service category name, then type the name of your service title, add price and price unit, write a description about service, and add tags, availability, warranty, and then select images and set the contact info. While submitting this listing form, it will be displayed here. This is the listing archive page. Each archive page represents listing details page. Repeat this process for making more service listing form to add in your service website. And this is how you can make more listing form to add in your listing. Thank you for staying with us.